Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Let's kick things off with a number that absolutely rocked the crypto world.
That's how much was stolen from the Bybit exchange, the biggest crypto heist in history. And this hack? It wasn't just bad code. It was a huge mistake in security access.
You know, the problem usually starts with something simple: giving people way too much access. When one key opens every single door, one little mistake can be totally devastating. For the Bybit hackers, this wasn't just a weakness. It was basically a wide-open door. So, the fix is a simple but super powerful idea: the principle of least privilege. It's really just a need-to-know and need-to-do approach to your security. By limiting who can go where, you make any single breach way less damaging. And this isn't just for big companies. This applies directly to your digital life too.
Each one of these steps adds another lock on your door, making you a much harder target.
A simple principle like this could have prevented a truly historic financial disaster.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.